Alright, let's make the next step. It's time to examine the Practice button. Progress in learning is rather slow when you only study texts. In order to enhance it, you have to practice proper pronunciation. The Listen and Practice tool allows you to record yourself reading a text and to compare it to one read by a native speaker. The sentences which you will find here come from the dialogues. They are cut into chunks to make it easier for you to practice their pronunciation. Now, when you click on the loudspeaker icon, the program will enable recording. Here you can record your own pronunciation of a sentence you can first listen to. You will need a microphone, of course. Don't forget to adjust the volume on your computer and make sure that your loudspeakers are plugged in. When you have recorded yourself, you can drag the visualizations of the original and of your own recording to make sure that they start together and play them simultaneously. In this way, you will be able to hear differences between your pronunciation and that of a native speaker, and, if needed, to correct your mistakes. No book will be as helpful in this respect as this particular feature of our program. We are really happy to bring it to you. The Lingua Sunrise course is designed for students who are just beginning their adventure with Norwegian. At present, there are no online courses like it. None of those that are available can offer you so many features and tools as the Lingua Sunrise course. They are all here, just one click away, waiting for you to discover them. We wish you good luck and hope you join us.